tandaan mo, ang babayaran mo buwan-buwan, babayaran mo pa ulit yan next month. Pero hindi mababago ang buhay mo. But if you try to just do the 70-20-10 rule that I've always been advocating, so if you don't use your money the right way, hindi aayos ang buhay mo. Yan yung concept na mali sa inyo eh. You're always thinking, may pera ako, gagamitin ko muna dito, I have to pay this. You have been doing that all your life. And for all you know, after all these years, you have never earned anything kasi mali yung gamit mo ng pera. But if you try to just do the 70-20-10 rule that I've always been advocating, maglaan ka ng pera mo para kung hindi ka man makapagnegosyo, at least makorek mo yung karma mo. Kaysa sa unay mo, kasi kailangan bayaran ko yung kuryente ko next month. Pag binayaran mo ba yung kuryente mo this month, next month, ba hindi mo na babayaran yan? It's the same problem. You're actually, doing it. Ikot kayo. Hindi ka lalabas dyan. Hindi mo aayusin yan. Para ka lang turumpo hanggang mamatay ka na lang. Nandiyan ka pa rin dyan sa iniikutan mo na yan.